Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're playing restaurant. I'm going to show you my cash register machine. We get this basket. I want to take a corn. It's too healthy. Oh, there's milk and pepper and ice cream. Put milk. Oh, there's a lot of things here. Pizza, chicken, crabs,
prawns,
fish. I'm gonna take chicken. Now what should I take? Ice cream. This is my shopping. Yummy. How my cash register work? I'll show you. Let's see how it will work. This is my conveyor belt. I'm gonna put chicken first. Let's put this on button right. Press this chicken. The amount will come here.
Where is the amount? Yeah,
There is one coming.
it's 12.4.
12.4.
Chicken Adita is kept on the weighing machine. Okay, now you can take that.
Corn is talking. Corn.
You pressed corn already.
3. I press this. All coins and card and money will all come. So these are just not real money. So they are just cards. When we are small, mommy cut on one board. There's money. So we thought we can cut that like for shopping. That's why we put it in there like money, like a real money. 5 this, the money comes 0. See?
Yes.
It's a little bit dark. It's not dark. It's a little bit light. How much am See how it works? I have 3 mics. One is black, one is... Hope you guys like your video. Bye!